Viral infections. Understanding the causes, symptoms, and treatment options. Viral infections are a common and often debilitating condition that can affect anyone, regardless of age or health status. From the common cold and flu to more serious conditions like HIV and Ebola, viral infections can have a significant impact on our quality of life. In this article, we'll explore the causes, symptoms, and treatment options for viral infections, as well as some tips for prevention and management. What are viral infections? Viral infections occur when a virus enters the body and begins to replicate, causing harm to the host cells. Viruses are tiny particles that are made up of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, surrounded by a protein coat. They are highly contagious and can be spread through a variety of means, including 1. Airborne transmission. Many viruses, such as the common cold and flu, can be spread through the air when an infected person coughs or sneezes. 2. Direct contact. Some viruses, such as HIV and herpes, can be spread through direct contact with an infected person's bodily fluids. 3. Contaminated surfaces. Some viruses, such as norovirus and rotavirus, can survive on surfaces for extended periods of time and can be spread through contact with contaminated surfaces. Types of viral infections. There are many different types of viral infections, each with its own unique characteristics and symptoms. Some common types of viral infections include 1. Respiratory viruses. These viruses, such as the common cold and flu, affect the respiratory system and can cause symptoms such as coughing, sneezing, and difficulty breathing. 2. Gastrointestinal viruses. These viruses, such as norovirus and rotavirus, affect the gastrointestinal system and can cause symptoms such as diarrhea, vomiting, and stomach cramps. 3. Skin viruses. These viruses, such as herpes and chickenpox, affect the skin and can cause symptoms such as rashes, blisters, and itching. 4. Systemic viruses. These viruses, such as HIV and Ebola, affect the entire body and can cause a range of symptoms, including fever, fatigue, and organ failure. Symptoms of viral infections. The symptoms of viral infections can vary widely depending on the type of virus and the severity of the infection. Some common symptoms of viral infections include 1. Fever. Many viral infections can cause a fever, which is a rise in body temperature above normal levels. 2. Fatigue. Viral infections can cause fatigue, which is a feeling of exhaustion or lack of energy. 3. Headache. Some viral infections, such as the flu, can cause headaches, which can range from mild to severe. 4. Muscle pain. Some viral infections, such as the flu, can cause muscle pain, which can range from mild to severe. Treatment options for viral infections. The treatment options for viral infections depend on the type and severity of the infection. Some common treatment options include 1. Antiviral medications. Antiviral medications, such as oseltamivir, Tamiflu, and zanamivir, Relenza, can be used to treat certain viral infections, such as the flu. 2. Supportive care. Supportive care, such as rest, hydration, and pain management, can help alleviate symptoms and support the body's natural healing process. 3. Hospitalization. In severe cases of viral infections, hospitalization may be necessary to provide supportive care and manage complications. Prevention and management of viral infections. Preventing and managing viral infections requires a combination of good hygiene practices, vaccination, and healthy lifestyle habits. Some tips for prevention and management include: 1. Practice good hygiene. Washing your hands frequently, covering your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing, and avoiding close contact with others can help prevent the spread of viral infections. 2. Get vaccinated. Vaccination is an effective way to prevent certain viral infections, such as the flu and HPV. 3. Stay healthy. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and staying physically active, can help support the immune system and reduce the risk of viral infections. Conclusion. Viral infections are a common and often debilitating condition that can affect anyone, regardless of age or health status. Understanding the causes, symptoms, and treatment options for viral infections can help you take steps to prevent and manage these conditions. By practicing good hygiene, getting vaccinated, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can reduce your risk of viral infections and stay healthy. Recommendations. If you're experiencing symptoms of a viral infection, here are some recommendations. 1. Seek medical attention. If you're experiencing severe symptoms or if you're at risk for complications, seek medical attention immediately. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids can help alleviate symptoms and support the body's natural healing process. 3. Rest. Getting plenty of rest can help support the immune system and reduce the risk